Now you may be wondering if you can have multiple Kalshi accounts, and the short answer is no, most people cannot do this. The reason for this is Kalshi is actually a regulated financial platform. That means your account is tied to your identity through an SSN, a date of birth, and your bank account. And even if you do use a different phone number or different emails or different devices, it's still linked to you as one person. So the only technical way to actually create multiple accounts is to actually have an account under a different person. Now, I don't want to say anything that's controversial or not allowed, but you might want to ask another family member to create another Kalshi account or a friend, and maybe they'll let you use their account. But you cannot have multiple accounts tied to your own name, bank, SSN, or any of those emails or phone numbers that you personally use for yourself. And if you have made more than one account, do not keep trading on both. I'd recommend contacting Kalshi support and explain the situation very clearly, just so that you can properly close one of them before it becomes a bigger issue. But only one person is allowed per account and one verified account. So the best answer to stay safe is just to keep one account, and I've also linked a $25 free reward in the description below if you're interested.